Hello there everyone, guys, I'm finally out. And this is an emergency broadcast because I'm actually in the middle of our Euro trip right now. And I did ask my friend to drive for a bit because I need to make a video for you guys on the go. So we're literally in the middle of France right now, somewhere next to Paris. But anyway, Bitcoin is at $72,000, 72K. So it actually looks pretty freaking amazing. And we're actually breaking above the most important resistance, and the most important resistance being the all-time high. The all-time high was at 70,000. We're actually breaking above it, and we're actually in the moment, for just a second, which makes me so incredibly happy to see it. We actually hit right here, 72,400. So all-time high, beautiful. We actually broke above it, and that's why, I gotta make a emergency update and show you what is going on with the challenge, what's going on with all of our trades. Some trades are doing well, some not so well. So that's why I want to just quickly give you an update. And also I just purchased one more coin into the portfolio, this $1 million challenge, from 1 million to 10 million. And so far we are sitting at, so right here, so far we are sitting at $1,131,000. So we are up 13% in less than 1 month. So it's not happening as fast as I wanted, but they're still there. It's actually coming along quite nicely. We did so many incredible trades. Not all of them were great, but most of the trades we did were absolutely incredible. And I mean, like, so many of the trades we've put into the spot, like for example, Apex. I was telling you about Apex, that Apex is going to be doing so well, and also the Filecoin and so many other ones that we have actually here. We bought Apex right here in the area of $1.35. We bought a bit more right here to $2, and now look, it's at literally $4. So for example, a Apex trade, we did more than 100% return with zero leverage, which is insane. And a lot of our trades did exceptionally well. So for this reason, we are up literally just in this portfolio, in this challenge, we're up $130,000 in less than 1 month, which is absolutely incredible. And so, I mean, so many other trades that did so well. Now let me quickly show you what is happening with Bitcoin, and I'm gonna explain why I am out. What does it mean, Bitcoin out? I'm gonna show it to you in just a second as well. So first thing that I wanna point out is that finally, at 70,000, we had many people come in with their shorts. So finally, at least some shorts came in, not that much, but if Bitcoin goes to 75,000, according to this data, that there will be $1 billion worth of shorts liquidated, and even this is still much smaller in terms of shorts than we have in terms of longs. So the idea still stays the same. I mean, we did predict quite accurately the fact that there will be massive liquidations. That's why we wanted to take a short trade to kind of, balance out the portfolio and hedge the portfolio. And as you might remember, it came perfectly in right here from 68,069 down to 59. So what I have to admit to, though, in full discretion, that's why I said that on Bybit also, let me just go to derivatives trade before I show you the altcoin that we added to the portfolio. So as I told you, that I'm actually deleveraging the short, just because we're not seeing the impulse that very much. So therefore, this is, well, I mean, we've shorted in this vicinity. I deleveraged it right here, and then the last small part of this short actually got closed at 70,500. That was like the last 25% of the short. So that one was a bit underwater, but as I said, it was more of a hedge at that point because we expected a bigger correction, and this is something that we were wrong about. So I absolutely admit to it, but nonetheless, we still made crazy money simply because we were longing everything else. We had so many long trades in comparison to one short trade on Bitcoin, just in case what if we'll have a huge cascading liquidation. That's it. So therefore, our short got closed automatically with a stop loss right here. So that was the last piece. So I don't have any other short positions. And the P&L, so if you're looking at just the P&L in general, then basically we did minus, so we lost $32,000 on the short, which is fine because initially, as you might remember, my short was 1.5 million. So if that would have been stopped out at 70,500, that would be a $200,000 loss. So therefore 30K as a price, it still is a big price, but a price that I paid for protecting the altcoins we were holding made total sense for me. And again, once again, we're still up. If you copied every single trade I did, which is what you're supposed to be doing, not just degenerating into one trade. If you did, then you're an idiot. hopefully you didn't do that. So we are still up 132,000 in less than 1 month. So therefore, as I said before, right now the price just keeps pushing, and right now as we're going past all these levels, we are in no man's land. So for now, I'm going to be only looking for long entries from order blocks and stuff. So subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm going to keep you updated. And congratulations to all of us, because we've held Bitcoin since 17,000. The last time I bought a lot of Bitcoin was at 17,000, and I told you guys to do so as well. So congratulations on your profits. Call me Mr. Spot on that in the comments. So sadly, I cannot be right about every single trade, but I'm showing you the reality. I'm showing you how to balance the portfolio, how to use proper risk and money management, and how to, in times of uncertainty, actually balance out and still make money. So despite, you know, us losing 20% of the short itself, and the rest was just closed at basically at zero, making money on some funding fees, and still making $130,000 on the altcoins we're holding, and all these long trades that we have, which are still just zero leveraged long trades. So anyway, but what I want to show you as well, that what is the target now? Quite frankly, we are in no man's land. The target is 75, 85, 80, 100. Ultimately, I think that the ultimate target now by the end of this year will be easily $100,000. Easily. Like, I mean, it is pretty obvious with everything. Despite everything, against all probabilities, we just keep plowing. So therefore, I think that I will avoid short trades from now on, only maybe like scalp trades with very defined stop loss and very defined take profit analysis. That's it. So that's the idea. But I really want to get into a nice juicy long on Bitcoin or Ethereum. But for now, the price is just giving no opportunities, just keeps going up and up. So, but what I want to show you is the coin that we just added to the portfolio, which actually is what is helping us to actually become profitable here with this challenge. And subscribe. Guys, hit that notification bell, and also share this video down below here. There is a share button down below here on YouTube. And again, if you want to be doing copy trading, we just added more seats, and our copy trading is doing fantastic. Right here, this one account, and then there is the other account, $44,000 for our members who are just basically copying trades with one click, with proper risk and money management, with minimal drawdowns, unless there is a flash crash, of course. So, and for you to copy us directly, you need to have a Bybit account that you've created using my link down in the description of this video. You can also claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, very important, but you must have an account that you created using my link. Otherwise, copy trading will not work. It will give you an error. So very important. And also, you need to wait for 24 hours once you've actually created the new account with Bybit. And all the steps, all the instructions are here. Copy kralowtrades.com. All the explanations are here. Every single step of what you need to do, how, very straightforward. Now to the coin that we purchased for the portfolio is this one right here. So we purchased meme for $20,000. So 20,000 bucks. That's basically 2% of the portfolio. And let me quickly show you the targets. The targets here are not as crazy as some of the targets on other altcoin trades that we have. But nonetheless, so right here, I will show it to you. Here are the targets, so you can actually pause the screen and you can have a look. 5.5 cents, then 6.3 cents, 7 cents, and 9 cents. So these are basically the targets for meme. And this again, just momentum trade, some volume keep creeping in. It can give us a nice God candle and we'll be out. So just also another quick trade. And so far these trades have been playing out really nicely, like Apex and Phil and so many other ones that we're holding. And even Ladies was down 70% and now we're actually up 60%. So have a look at Ladies that we're still holding, which is pretty cool. Anyways guys, this is the quick update on Bitcoin. And yeah, so we are out of the short trade completely with a loss of 30,000 bucks, which is 3%. Which is no big deal to pay for the protection of the portfolio in case if we were to go down. But I did tell you where I am deleveraging, where I'm adding, where I'm removing, and we actually handle this trade like G's. And as for us, look at this weather in Paris, in France, and we need to be on our way to our actual next destination. And yeah, anyway, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Check out this quick tutorial popping up on the screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other altcoins with